My name is Tanya Berenson. I'm with the Los Angeles School of Gymnastics. My mother was a former member of the Soviet Republic Russian Gymnastics Federation, and she had opened the LA School of Gymnastics along with Robin Spector, former YMCA director of Beverly Hills. All of the coaches are certainly some of the top instructors in the country. The staff is USA Gymnastics Safety Certified, OSHA Infant and CPR Certified, and have a minimum of 5 years of experience in teaching. Some of the programs that are offered start from 18 months and up, and those programs provide toddlers and children with gross motor development, hand-eye coordination, movement for physical education and growth. So for instance, there's the bars, beam, floor, and vault for women. There's also the pommel horse, still rings, P-bars, floor, and vault for men. And then we also have quite a few other programs available if you want to just participate in floor tumbling, trampoline, or even a private lesson. Everyone has a place at LA School of Gymnastics, including teenagers. We have now a specialty program which includes tumbling for teens. So if you're looking for a top training experience for your child, LA School of Gymnastics is the place to go. LA School of Gymnastics is located in the heart of Culver City. We are located at 8450 Higuera Street. Please visit us online at lagymnastics.com.